Hello all, welcome to chapter 33 from the book of Genesis. In the last chapter, we saw that Jacob is journeying towards Esau, and in a bid to pacify Esau, he is sending gifts one after the other. In the beginning of this chapter, we see that Jacob watches Esau and 400 men coming. He divides his team. Maids and the children were foremost, Leah and her children next, and lastly Rachel and Joseph. We then see Jacob overtook everybody and approached Esau and bowed down to him 7 times. Esau runs and hugs Jacob and kisses him. Esau then meets Jacob's wives. Esau says he will accompany Jacob and the rest towards home. Jacob says there are young animals with him, and if they are hurried, they will die. Esau then says at least some men of his can come with him. Jacob says no to this as well. We then see Jacob says he will follow Esau. However, Jacob goes to Succoth. Succoth is the northern part of this land, whereas Esau is settled in a place called Seir, which is towards the south. In Succoth, Jacob builds a place for himself and shelter for his livestock. We then see, towards the end of the chapter, Jacob moves to Shechem in Canaan. In Shechem, he buys the land from the sons of Hamor, the father of Shechem. I have mentioned this name specifically because it is of relevance in the next chapter. Jacob then pitched his tent and set up an altar and called it El Elohi Israel, which means God of Israel. This is how the chapter ends. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God be with us all. Bye bye.